Hey Natural Tool fam, welcome back to another video. In today's video you'll see how it is you can make your very own Jamaican Easter bun at home. So if this is something you want to see, then stick around for the video. So guys, to get started, we'll be mixing all the wet ingredients together. The full list of the ingredients can be found down below in the description section. Now we'll start off with a bottle of Malta, a bottle of Dragon, and then we'll go ahead to add the mixed peels and raisins which we would have previously soaked in the fruit wine. Next up, we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of browning, 1 tablespoon of rose water, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then we'll add 2 tablespoons of ginger extract. We'll be adding 1 dry ingredients to the wet ingredients at this time, and that is 1 tablespoon of yeast. Next up, we'll be adding ½ cup of brown sugar to allow the sugar to dissolve in the wet ingredients. Next, we'll be adding 1 egg, and we'll beat this egg in 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Then the final wet ingredients will be ½ cup of melted butter, and we'll mix all those wet ingredients together. So we will now move on to the dry ingredients. We'll be adding 4 cups of baking flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of nutmeg powder. Our next step is to combine both the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients together. And for this, you can either mix it with your hands and a spoon, or you can use a handheld mixer. Once you have gotten all the ingredients mixed together, then you can go ahead to transfer your mixture to your baking tin. So here you'll see you using butter to grease the bottom of the baking tin that we'll be using for the bun, and then pouring the mixture into the baking tin. Unfortunately, in recording, it seems we lost the clip where we added the cherries and raisins to the top of the bun. However,
a few moments later,
here you can see when the buns have been removed from the oven, looking very moist and nice. We're gone ahead to glaze the top of the bun, so you can use your glaze of choice. So here we have the final product after it has been cooled and sliced, so that you can see the texture, the moisture, and just how delicious this Jamaican Easter bun looks. Now guys, you know, sometimes when we buy those bakery made buns, they're very sweet, but trust me, for this bun, this ingredients here, it is not sweet, it's just right. And as you can see here, the texture of the bun, it's very moist and spongy and nice, just the way you would like your Easter bun. So as I said, the ingredients can be found down below in the description section. If you want to go ahead and give it your own try, you can take that ingredients down below. And guys, if you're new to the channel and you're not yet a part of the Naturally Told family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to also hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and will definitely be giving this bun a try. And of course, share with any of your friends and family who loves to do their own baking at home, so that they can also give it a try. Leave us a comment down below for feedback on the video. This is where I'll end the video for today, and of course I'll end it by saying, continue to be your most authentic self, and of course guys, continue to stay naturally. On to the next video. Walk good.